He was pierced for our transgressions, crushed for our sins. The punishment that brought us peace was upon him. By his wounds, by his wounds, we are healed. We are healed by a sacrifice and a life that you gave. We are healed, for you paid the price. By your grace